Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add testimonies to our site using the Elementor page builder. First, we need to go to the left part where it says pages. We are going to click on all the pages, and then we are going to select the page where we want to add our testimonies. And in this case we are going to use the home page, and then we are going to click on edit with Elementor. Now once we are on the dashboard, we are going to scroll down until we found a free section here, and on the search widget bar we are going to type testimony and the testimonial. Then we are going to click hold, and then we are going to release on the new section. So we have our new testimony here, and on the content we can write about what the person who is giving the testimony is going to say. So in this case we are going to write testimony 1 for the example, and we are going to choose the image of the person who is giving the testimony. In this case we are going to use the image on the example of the page, and we are going to click on insert media. As you can see, it is right here. We can change the size of the image, but in this case it's not going to have much effect. So we are going to give it a name to it, name 1 for the example, and a shop. We're going to type shop 1, and we can give a link to the testimony if we want, and we can select the position of the image if it's atop of the name and profession or beside it, and we can change the alignment of the entire testimony. So we are going to the style, and here we can change the color of the typography of the testimony and the typography itself, the family, the size, the weight, transform the text, the style, decoration, line height and letter spacing, and so on. And on the image we can change the size of the image of the person who is giving the testimony, and we can add a border, as you can see, and we are going to give it 1 pixel wide, and we are going to give it a cerulean color, and we can select, it has a round radius for the file, but we can make it square and the like if we want. So we are going to leave it by default in this case, and we can change the color of the name and the typography in the same manner as in the content, and we can change the name, the color of the title, as you can see, and the typography also can be changed in the same manner as in the image. Once we have done all the changes we want to our testimony, we need to save those changes by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have added a testimony to our page using the Elementor page builder in an easy and simple manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Palatech.